JDCap26 here to do tips and repairs and hobbies, and I'm going to show you all about a water filter on an airbrush. And here is the water filter on the airbrush. What it does is the air comes in from the hose, okay, from the tank, and it goes through a filter there. Well, you never know, more water could be in the line, and it goes to here to this filter. This filter has a cone here, okay, which will not let any water particles go through, the molecules to go through that cone. It'll trap it within this cup right here. Let me focus for you. It'll trap it within this cup right here. So when you mix the paint up here, your moisture, no moisture will get into your paint. Okay, when you're spraying, it'll be a nice dry paint. So to speak, no extra water. Just make your paint splatter. Right here is a little valve, okay? And this valve right here, when you press it in, releases air and releases the water out of the filter, okay? So you can empty these, all right? And they last pretty long, let me tell you. When these turn like a black, you know it's ready to get rid of and change out. And you don't get any airflow up to your airbrush. And I just wanted to show you that and explain to you about water filters on the airbrush. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. And you have a great day. We'll see you next time. Take care.